happy morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, have you celebrated your Diwali vacation? Yes, I hope you have enjoyed very well. So, and you have given your exams also properly. Okay, so what we will do today? Yes, we will start our new semester, right? And in that new semester, we will start a chapter. And the unit is 6 and the chapter is Curly Locks and the 3 Bears. So, in this story, a girl is there, right, with curly hair. You can see here a girl is there with curly hair and she is visiting a house of bears, right? And what she is doing there and what she has experienced, you will know it. Okay, so let's start the chapter and you can see in your page number 96. Once there was a girl with curly hair. C-U-R-L-Y. Curly means जिसके घुंघराले बाल होते हैं, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. Curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. C-U-R-L-Y L-O-C-K-S. Locks. Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest. एक दिन वो कहाँ गई? जंगल में गई. Near her house, which was near her house. She saw a cottage. Cottage means a small house. Is anybody in? She asked. उसने क्या पूछा? कोई अंदर है? There was nobody. N-O-B-O-D-Y. Nobody. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. Who was living in that house? Bear family. B-E-A-R. Bear. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. They had gone for a walk. वो कहाँ गए थे? Walk करने के लिए गए थे. So, what we have understood from this, there was a girl named Curly Locks, right? And her hair was curly. And where she went? She went to a forest. And what she has seen there? She saw a small house. And whose house it was? Bear's family, right? But there was no one in the house because they went out for a walk. Curly Locks went in. Curly Locks andar gayi. She wanted to see who lived there. She was very much eager to know that who was living in that house. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. उसने क्या देखा? Bowls में क्या देखा? खाना देखा, right? Porridge means boiled food. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. B-E-A-R, bear. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle one, a M-I-D-D-L-E, middle size. M-I-D-D-L-E, middle size bowl for Mama Bear and a tiny bowl for a baby bear. Right? There were 3 bowls for, big one for Papa Bear, middle one for Mama Bear and small one for baby bear. By seeing this, Curly Locks was hungry. She was very much hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. उसने क्या किया? जो खाना bowl में था वो big bowl में था वो खाना start करने लगी. It was very hot. वो बहुत ही गर्म था. She ate from the middle size. Then she started to eat from the middle size. उसमें से उसने टेस्ट किया. मिडिल साइज बोल में से भी उसने टेस्ट किया. बट इट वॉज टू कोल्ड. मीन्स वो बहुत ही ठंडा हो चुका था. बिग बोल में बहुत गर्म था, मिडिल साइज में ठंडा हो चुका था. शी एट फ्रॉम द टाइनी लिटिल बॉल. फिर कहाँ से कर्ली लॉक्स ने स्टार्ट किया? छोटे वाले से. फ्रॉम द टाइनी लिटिल बॉल. इट वॉज जस्ट राइट. मीन्स वो उसके लिए सही था. ना ही वो ज़्यादा गर्म था, ना ही ज़्यादा ठंडा था. राइट? So we will keep up to here today. So what we have seen from this? In this story we have seen a girl with curly hair. She went to a forest. Why? Because she saw a small house there and she was very much eager to know whose house it is. It was whose house? It was Bear's house, Bear's family house. In that 3 bears were living. Mama bear, Papa bear and small baby bear. right? And they went where? Out for a walk, right? So then what happened next? She saw a food there in a bowls, but there were 3 bowls. She tasted from all the 3, है ना? उसने तीनों में से टेस्ट किया. The big bowl was very much hot, middle one was very much cold, and the small one was very much okay for her to eat. Okay students, so we have done this much, and I will send so now what we will do? We will do hard words, means new words, meanings. Okay, so first you have to listen it, and then you have to write in your English pair notebook. Okay students, now we will write new words, so concentrate here, listen it properly, and then you have to write in your English pair notebook. Okay students, so our first word is curly. C-U-R-L-Y, curly. Okay, it is the name of a girl, so we will write capital C, curly. C-U-R-L-Y, curly. Okay, and now our second is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Okay, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, right? Okay, now third one, C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. Fourth one, cottage. Then B-O-W-L-S, balls. Now fifth one is porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E, porridge. Okay, so our new words are curly, forest, cottage, bowls, and porridge. Okay students, understood? Now the meanings. Okay, M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S, meanings. Okay, we have written the new words, and now we are going to write meanings. Our first meaning is cottage. C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. What is the meaning of cottage? Yes, can anyone tell? Yes, we have already seen in a chapter. Yes, cottage means, very good, a small house, एक छोटा सा घर. S-M-A-L-L, small. H-O-U-S-E, house, a small house. Now second is balls. B-O-W-L-S, balls, है ना? R-O-U-N-D, a round deep dish. D-I-S-H, dish. Okay, a round deep dish. Now third one, curly. C-U-R-L-Y, curly means घुंघराले बाल, है ना? घुंघराले बाल होते हैं, उसको हम बोलेंगे curly. So arranged, A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D, arranged in curls. C-U-R-L-S, curls, or rolls. R-O-L-L-S. Okay, curly means arranged in curls or rolls. जैसे घुंघराले बाल होते हैं ना जिसको, उसको हम बोलेंगे curly hair, right? So our meanings are cottage, a small house, bowls, a round deep dish, curly, arranged in curls or rolls. Okay, so we have done hard words and meanings, and now we will write question answer. Now we will write answer the following. Our first question is WHO. Who, W should be capital. Okay, who, L-I-V-E-D, lived in the cottage. Cottage में कौन कौन रहता था बच्चों? हमने चैप्टर में क्या देखा था? कौन कौन था कॉटेज में? यस, कॉटेज मीन्स स्मॉल हाउस. वो स्मॉल हाउस में कौन कौन रहता था? यस, पप्पा बियर, मम्मा बियर एंड बेबी बेयर. सॉरी, पप्पा बेयर, मम्मा बेयर एंड बेबी बेयर, राइट? ये 3 रहते थे कॉटेज में. So we will write the answer like this way. THE, the T should be capital. The BEAR, bear family. FAMILY, the bear family. LIVED, lived in the cottage. COTTAGE, cottage, full stop, because end of the sentence, right? So who was living in the cottage? Who lived in the cottage? कौन कौन रहता था? Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear, right? So the bear family lived in the cottage. Okay, what did, W should be capital. What did, DID, did. What did Curly Locks, CURLY, Curly LOCKS, what did Curly Locks see on the table? Curly Locks ने टेबल पे क्या देखा था? हाँ बच्चों बताओ. What did Curly Locks see on the table? क्या देखा था Curly Locks ने? Yes, very good. क्या देखा था? खाना देखा था. उसने क्या देखा था? फूड देखा था. So how we will write it? Curly Locks, C should be capital. CURLY, Curly Locks क्या देखा था? Curly Locks saw, SAW, so 3 THREE, 3 rat. So concentrate here, okay? So 3 BOWLS, balls of porridge. PORRIDGE, porridge means उबला हुआ खाना, right? Boiled vegetables, boiled food, okay? On the table. TABLE, okay? Now second, what did Curly Locks see on the table? Curly Lock ने क्या देखा था टेबल पे? Yes, Curly Locks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Okay, उसने क्या देखा था? 3 bowls देखे थे porridge के, right? जो वो टेबल पे रखे हुए थे. किसके लिए रखे हुए थे? पापा बेयर, मम्मा बेयर एंड बेबी बेयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ये थे हमारे 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, मीनिंग्स एंड हार्ड वर्ड्स. ओके, सो ये आपको कहाँ लिखना है? इंग्लिश फेयर नोटबुक में, एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट एंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल देन टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे.